It's a lifestyle. Cause I got your picture, I'm coming with you. Dear Maria, tell me it. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm the bed.
I'm the champion, not the champion. Stop. This is my world, it cannot be rocked. You can't rock my world, son. Took a lot of work just to reach the top. Did a lot of climbing and I made it.
Ooh, a fresh pie. Save me a slice. That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's... Alright, that's good. Okay, okay. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slices!
Speakers booming in the back, baby. No coming for them stacks, baby. No, I'm pretty, that's a fact, baby.
Gonna finish the job. Last time you had hope. You had hope because one dumb judge gave you that fight when everyone else knows that you lost that fight. But this time I'm gonna make sure I finish the job. So no doubt,
things you can't
when you
lie
look at
about.
me,
There are
you're
some
gonna
things
look
that
at
you
me.
can't-
You're gonna look at me.
You can't. There's
You're gonna
some
look
things
at me.
that you
You're gonna
can lie
realize that it's
about,
over.
and
This
what
is
you
it.
can't lie
You
about
can't
is
beat
that
me.
face
There's
that you
nothing
had
you can
after
do
your fight. The same face that you had after like the John Blachowicz fight you had against me.
Guys,
I'll finish the Italian job, part 2.
Marvin, a lot of personal heat on this one.
It's a pleasure to meet you,
Finally
bro.
meet you, man. Easy ass. Nah, thanks for, bro.
Man, I'll be fine in Italy. Man, I'm excited to meet you, bro. I'm a huge fan of you, bro.
Likewise, man. I like your collection as well.
Ah, man,
you got
thank
way
you.
more than me, though.
Really?
Like,
You're a collector too?
I don't collect, but like fans give me a lot of them.
Okay, you have some.
I have some.
Okay.
Just on my like gaming system, so I've got a few plunkers hanging around. I see yours, it's like stacks.
Ah, man.
Do you ever take them out the? You don't take them out the box, though.
Nah,
Never.
come
Keep
on,
them,
never.
of course.
Never, bro.
I'm that kid.
Man, nice to meet you, bro.
Gracias, my man.
It's a pleasure to meet you,
Finally
bro.
meet you, man. Easy
Man.
ass. Nah, thanks for, bro.
Man, I'll be fine in Italy. Man, I'm excited to meet you, bro. I'm a huge fan of you, bro.
Likewise, man. I like your collection as well.
Ah, man,
you got
thank
way
you.
more than me, though.
Really?
Like,
You're a collector too?
I don't collect, but like fans give me a lot of them.
Okay, you have some.
I have some.
Okay.
Just on my like gaming system, so I've got a few plunkers hanging around. I see yours, it's like stacks.
Ah, man.
Do you ever take them out the? You don't
I'm
take
a-
them out the box, though.
Nah,
Never.
come
Keep
on,
them,
never.
of course.
Never, bro.
I'm that kid.
Man, nice to meet you, bro.
Gracias, my man.
Well, you know, the old Mozzie, my arch nemesis, that other what's his name, Whitaker, Bobby Knuckles. I knocked him out twice with one fat last night. I don't know what the gonna happen with this whole COVID shit, but we need to run that back in Auckland. We need to run that back in my territory this time. I'll tell you when it is. You don't get to decide. I get to decide. Because why? I'm the motherfucking king.
Hype!
Gonna look for that elbow. He's out. Referee steps in. Matt the Immortal.
to see you in there again?
I'm going to take a couple months, you know, go back home. I haven't seen my daughter in a little bit. I haven't spent much time with her. She's been back home in school, so I just really want to spend the summer with her. Oh, and Zaylin, how was that? Sheesh.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone.
Killers on the hills, lazy, running, lazy, huggy sport, running, selling for, let them launch in my granted, the chocolate go out for granted.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Hey, I've been told I look just like you.
Just like me. You're a lucky man.
They told me I'm more handsome now.
Josh Parisian, ladies and gentlemen.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Hey!
Southpaw against Southpaw. Though Connor will come down.
Right here. Right here, the hardest hitting 145er right here. Who the f is that guy?
Wow, what a way to get things started. Woo, these guys are just standing right in front of each other. Oh, yeah.